Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at the Sonos One SL smart speaker. So you can easily connect this thing up to your phone, up to any devices that you have on your home Wi-Fi network through the Sonos app. If looking at the back here, it also has an Ethernet port, so you don't even need to be on Wi-Fi. You can just connect it up through wired way. As you can see, it looks very elegant. I just have it sitting here on my mantle, and you can really put this anywhere. It's very versatile in its form factor. I like how small it is, doesn't weigh too much. Just simply plug it in and then easily connect it to your internet and you're ready to go. It's got the play and pause button right here. It's all touch control, so no need to actually physically click any buttons. That ensures that this thing doesn't break easily. I've had this thing for several years and it's running like a champ. You got the volume down right here, volume up right there, and then the connection button right there. Overall, this thing has gotten lots of compliments. It really spices up your room. It's a lot easier than having a big speaker system, and it produces sound that's really on par with lots of other expensive speakers. So I highly recommend you get this. Thanks for watching.